Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. We're going to turn this shape into this shape. Pretty cool design. You could use this for a lot of stuff. It's just going to show you how to draw something like this. I'm going to take my 2-point line and I'm going to make, if you see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. So I'm going to Control D and make 6 lines. Now, so these are 1 inch apart, so we got 5 inches. Now I am going to take a 4-inch ellipse. And if you got your ratio locked, it'll just type in one letter and you got 4 inches. Grab at that 4 point and just put it anywhere up and down on that line. Make a duplicate of that and then put it anywhere on that line. Doesn't really matter where you put it. Now I'm going to change my nudge distance to 1/2 inch. And I am going to Control D and make a duplicate of that and make the new ellipse 1 inch. But then I'm going to nudge it over to that spot by 1/2 inch increments. Control D to make a duplicate, make it a 1 inch line or 1 inch ellipse, 1, 2, 3. That way you don't have to worry about snapping to or anything. And then just take your virtual segment delete key and delete all these lines, delete all these lines, and delete all these lines. And then delete this last line. Take your Smart Fill tool, and there you go. You could do a lot with this. I mean, it's a pretty unique shape in itself. Let's just Control D and make a duplicate and rotate it 90 degrees and weld it, and you've got a completely different shape. I don't know what you would, this would be a pretty good thing to play with as far as maybe a 3D. I've got to see another video coming up. But, you know, you could, this thing is 5 inches, but it's really just, there's 4 on a nudge. So change your nudge factor to 4 and make as many of these as you wanted. And it kind of looks like a rope wrapped around a bar in a way. You know, you could change the last one. I might play with that too. Anyway, I hope that gave you some ideas, and thank you for watching.